What's up, best friends, and welcome to my channel. So in the last video, I said that I was going to do a hair tutorial for you guys. So here it is. If you guys are interested in how I got my hair like this, then just keep watching. Okay, so I like to start off with my hair damp, freshly washed, freshly showered, whatever it is. And then I also like to use these products. I like to use the L.O.C method, which is leave-in oil cream, right? So I have this TGIN leave-in. This is bomb.com. It smells super good. And then I also have this TGIN Miracle Moisturizer Daily, what does it say? Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. So that's your moisturizer. I like to use this Curls Unleashed Curl Coil Cream. I love this stuff. It's like the best curl definer ever. And then I also like to use this Jamaican castor oil. This Jamaican black castor oil. I like to just use this little dropper and drop it in my scalp. So first we're gonna start with the leave-in. And we're just going to run this all throughout the hair. So we got the leave-in. Now it's time for the oil. Oops, we're gonna take a little dropper, fill it up, put it on my scalp from the dropper. And then I like to take some, drop it in my hand, and just run it through my hair. Just trying to get it on all the pieces. After the oil, I go in with my moisturizer. The front part I like to do in like a headband. Also, I want to mention, your parts don't have to be perfect. Say if you were gonna do this hairstyle midday and then run out and you had somewhere to go, but you didn't want to go, go out looking crazy. There is a way that you can style this hairstyle. All right, so we're gonna take some of the hair, put this back. Now that all of the hair is moisturized, you put your oil, your leave-in, your everything. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my Curls Unleashed. Love this stuff so much. Take a little bit. Because this is your curl definer, so you want to put it on your hair. You take this over here. Split it into two, like you're about to twist your hair, right? So you see this, how it's like that. Take that, twist it. Then you grab from the next one. It's like French braiding, even though I don't know how to French braid. But this is the concept of it. Take that and go like that to the next one. Add a little bit more to the next one. Bring that one over. Add a little more to the next one. Bring that one over. Add a little more to the next one. And bring that one over. So yeah, you just want to keep adding, bringing it over, adding, twisting it. Twist, add, and twist. We're just gonna add this last little section in. Twist, twist, twist. So you're gonna wanna twist all the way. Now we have our first little twist. We're just gonna keep moving on. It really helps to have the hair already moisturized, because like working with dry hair is like, no, you wanna just moisturize and moisturize as soon as you get out the shower. As soon as you do that, and then start your lock method and just do like how I'm teaching. So once again, taking our curls unleashed. I love curls unleashed. This one smells good too. Take this full section, do it like this. All right, last time, guys. So you see that? Use that finger to grab more, wrap it around, grab, pull that over, and once again, use this finger to get a little more, to group it in with that last section, like that. And you just keep doing it. Twist it, bow, grab a section, grab, twist, grab a section, grab, twist, grab a section, grab, twist, get a section, grab, twist. Oh, that's not missing. Oh, I did get a section, so get your section, grab, twist. There we go. I was confused, but you just keep doing it. You just want everything to be kind of tightened up together. You can run your fingers through these little pieces to get it straightened out. Now that it is preset and ready, you just put your scarf on, put your bonnet on, go to sleep. And then we're gonna wake up tomorrow. So I'm gonna hit y'all tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm just gonna take off my bonnet and we're just gonna take the twist down now. So let's just start with the front. So yeah, you guys can see why I do that little like headband across, because I like to have bangs kind of in the front. So you'll see. Now, I feel like most people normally have a pick, but I feel like you don't necessarily need one. You just wanna kind of blend in those parts together, like so. Yeah, so really I just need to finish styling it up. Or just put my face on, and then we're ready. Okay, so this is the final look. I love my hair like this. Honestly, like look at just how kinky and curly that the curls are. It's not like frizzy. They're all like in its place. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you tap that thumbs up button, leave me comments down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video.